Hi Scorpions, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for July 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using Archangel Raphael healing cards as well. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Scorpions. Towards the final days of June, stepping into July 2022, we have the Six of Cups. Perhaps Scorpions, you were gripped by nostalgia. You may have also felt some kind of an estrangement in a relationship. Sometimes we can say something untoward and this could affect our relationships. Possibly, you were dealing with those thoughts or memories. I think communication had also increased at this time. Communication had also brought in gains for you. Many Scorpions, you were also dealing with unscheduled work. Maybe this had left you a bit perturbed or hassled as well. Obstacles to overcome this month of the challenges that July is going to pose for you is the Ace of Pentacles here. I think you can expect opportunities. Things are opening up for you, or the door seems to open. New vistas are before you. But like I said, Scorpions, you have to work very hard because this is in the challenge position. I think you should also keep a check on your temperament. Maybe you should be sensitive to the needs of others as well. Influences for this month, we have the King of Cups here. I think there's going to be a lot of drama this month, which you should be prepared for. The King of Cups is also a person who could be an advisor, a guru or mentor of sorts for you. Or perhaps you're also going to be coming across as someone who is going to be sought after for your words of wisdom. Maybe you're also seeking assistance from a legal. I think your friends and acquaintances will be quite kindly disposed towards you. Paperwork or technical work is also going to keep you busy, but then assistance is coming your way. Maybe you believe, Scorpions, that your family members aren't too kindly disposed towards you this month. I think you should also be careful. You should act slyly and have your way. Sometimes you need to be a bit ingenious as well. Find solutions or alternatives to the problems that you're encountering. The first 10 days of July, we have the Four of Wands. Your focus is on the home front. Maybe you're going to do up your home. Pleasant surprises are in store for you. Your personal magnetism is also going to be at its peak. The focus here is on relationship. You're also somebody who wants to get down to business. You want to complete what you have set out to do. Maybe you're going to be quite driven. You're going to push yourself and carry on purposefully. Certainly, you're going to impress all and sundry with your output. Even your boss is going to single you out. Maybe there are jealous colleagues who are copying your ideas because you're very creative at this time. Thankfully, your boss is aware that it's you who is imaginative here. Spiritual cleansing will also benefit you this month. The next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th July, we have the Tower card. The Mars energy is going to make you in a very aggressive mode. You want to get down to business. Even in the Four of Wands, you are being someone. You want to push the envelope, so to speak. Maybe there's also the urge to communicate with someone. Unexpected movements or unexpected surprises, unscheduled work is also quite likely. There are bound to be delays at this time, but you're able to complete what you set out to do. Sometimes, you could be very overwhelmed on account of the work or the excess data or the information that is coming in with respect to work, but then you should prioritize. You should understand that this is also vital for your work or the output. You need to concentrate that much harder. Other than that, Scorpions, this month your skills are also going to be in demand. Maybe you're also a bit distracted, so you should listen to your superior who's pointing out the errors that are there. You should rework on your ideas, so to speak. Many of you can also expect your dues, even praise for your work. But it's also that you need to tone down your expectations. Maybe you expect a higher position at work. So in all likelihood, it could be a bit disappointing. So like I said, you need to lower your expectations. The final days of July, that is 21st to 31st July, we have the Page of Wands. This is a very restless and creative energy. Once again, I think Scorpions, you're somebody who is wanting to make the most of the uprush of energy which is there this month. You don't want to delay, you want to take the initiative, you want to understand your purpose in life. Maybe you're also going to get clarity, or you're also getting the chance to rectify past mistakes. Communication is also going to be very fruitful for you at this time. You will accomplish a lot. You're going to be very productive. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you should be more accommodating. You could also be interviewing candidates or workers, or you want to employ or hire somebody, but then, this person could be the ideal candidate but could ask for higher wages. Other than that, I'm also picking up that there are going to be strange dreams, or there are going to be omens around you. So you should pay attention to them. With respect to your love life, Scorpions, I have this card, abandon. Perhaps, Scorpions, you're going to leave someone heartbroken. You're somebody who is going to leave them to their own devices as well. Maybe there's somebody who is going to be trying to get your attention, but you are disinterested. That is why this person feels abandoned. Whether you want to accept the offer which this King of Cups is bringing into your life is entirely your call, Scorpions. I think some of you are also thinking about an ex there. Maybe you're thinking about your crush, somebody whom you fancy. You're bringing that Six of Cups energy. So oftentimes, Scorpions, you could be thinking about this person. Maybe you're also going to reach out to him or her. But you shouldn't be too delusional. Maybe you think that this person isn't upfront when it comes to his feelings. He's cloaking his feelings as well. Sometimes, you're the one who feels that who's going out of the way to initiate a conversation, but then there's no response, no respect for your feelings. Romancing, Scorpions, I think you want to settle down because of the Four of Wands here. You will definitely be interested in this person's social background. You want to understand his family, his connections better. Now and then, you could be discussing your childhood. But your family members may not be too happy with this connection. Sometimes there could also be a distance which could creep in. Maybe you feel abandoned, you feel all by yourself, you yearn for this person, but then there could be a distance or there could be a wall in this relationship. I think you should also work on your relationship with your in-laws this month in case you're already married. Some of you, you also need to be patient with children. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, I have this card, hobbies. Perhaps, Scorpions, you should also cultivate a pastime, a hobby or interest. Maybe this hobby could turn out to be an avenue of income in the future. You should find time for your creative interests. You should also volunteer. Raise your hand in case somebody needs assistance, or you may do volunteer work. This could also open opportunities for you. The more you give of yourself, the more the universe will reward you. Archangel Raphael is also telling you, give us your cares in case you're fretting over a particular health situation, or whether you're worried about the health of a loved one. Archangel Raphael is asking you to seek divine intervention, to give your cares. Worry only aggravates the situation which we find ourselves in, while prayer or positive intention can help ease the anxiety that is there. The last card in this reading is Maturity Beard. It says here, possibly, Scorpions, by the end of this month, you're going to be someone who's very mature or wiser beyond your years. Or many of you could also be dealing with a senior person who's going to assist you. Maybe this person is also someone who is your father or even an elder family member. It could also be a work colleague who is assisting you in your hour of need. All in all, Scorpions, July is going to turn out to be a month where you're going to be very productive. It's going to be a fruitful time. And this is going to make you like the wise owl. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.